Hello, everybody. Thank you very much, Gunther. So I'm Florin, and I'm the speaker of the working group security, and we'll have also a quick go through the latest. Security updates that we are introducing in this release of the AutoSAR. To have a quick glimpse of the agenda for today, we, besides a lot of bug fixes and other corrections and extensions of other already existing concepts, for this release, we mainly focused on 4 topics. So on the MACsec, the firewall, an introduction of a new document, so the explanatory for identity and access management, and also secure some IP ACL, which will be presented, and you're gonna have a more in-depth explanation from the concept owner for this last point. So for Ahmed, from Ahmed. So now let's go into with me for the first 3 topics. So as Pingley presented earlier, you'll see that MACsec and firewall are 2 concepts that are already known from the previous release, so from R22 release, where we had for the MACsec the concept part for the classic platform. And in this year, we have introduced the version for the adaptive platform. So now let's see in a bit more detail what the goal of the concept is and what it does. So the goal of this concept is to standardize the IEEE 802.1ae solution to reduce overhead in a meshed network layout and to reduce the timing issue during key negotiation by reducing the number of peers and avoiding higher network stack layers. So this IEEE standard specifies a set of protocols to meet the security requirements for protecting the data that is traversing Ethernet lanes. So MACsec allows unauthorized connections to be identified and excluded from communication within the network. And in common with other available with other available solutions from AutoSAR, so IPsec and TLS, MACsec defines security infrastructure to provide data confidentiality, data integrity, and data origin authentication. So how does it do this? By assuring that a frame comes from the station that claimed to send that frame. And with this, MACsec can even mitigate attacks on layer 2 protocols that cannot be protected otherwise. To have an example for such an attack that MACsec mitigates is that an attacker installing a device in the cable harness to launch a man-in-the-middle attack. So implementing the MACsec protocol for the AutoSAR platforms provides options to secure communication between network nodes with confidentiality and or integrity. Also, the concept deals with the realization of this functionality either in a MACsec hardware, in a MACsec aware hardware, and also MACsec software solution. For the for this release, for the classic platform, an adaptation of the MACsec layer was needed to implement the IEEE 802.1ae standard in order to extend the currently existing security protocol landscape with an option to use secured communication on MAC layer.